Hi, it's Shandy Outry. Can two ingredients create a decadent dessert? Oh yeah. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Dipped, drizzled, or all dressed up in tuxedos and pearls. Chocolate dipped strawberries are so sweet, and all you need are white and dark chocolate coating and strawberries. Place the chocolates in separate bowls, then melt them in a microwave or double boiler. Now take large strawberries, dip them in chocolate coating, and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet to harden. Do the same thing with strawberries and the white chocolate. Now you're ready for step 2. With a piping bag or spoon, drizzle the white strawberries with the dark chocolate and drizzle white chocolate on the dark chocolate strawberries. Aren't they gorgeous? You can even sprinkle the berries with a variety of decorative sugars. Now let's get real fancy and dress things up. For tuxedo berries, dip the strawberry in white chocolate. Then dip each side at an angle in the dark chocolate. Make the buttons with 3 dots of chocolate and the bow tie with 2 triangles. He needs a mate. So dip a strawberry in white chocolate in a V shape and add a necklace of candy pearls. What a beautiful couple. Chocolate dipped strawberries, very little effort for a whole lot of wow. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.